Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a triangle ABC with all three sides given, and at this point in time we do not yet know whether this is a right angle triangle. So that's what we need to prove for part A. Okay, well, we can use on our knowledge of the Pythagoras theorem in this case, but we must never assume that it is a right angle triangle. But we do know if it is a right angle triangle, then the sum of the squares of the two shorter sides, in this case 12 and 5, will be equals to the sum or will be equals to the square of the longest side. And in your working, we then have to prove it. Okay? That means we must first find the sum of the squares of the two shorter sides. That gives us 169. And we also find the square of the longer side, AC square, and 13 square will be equals to also 169. And because they are equal, then we can conclude by the converse of Pythagoras theorem that triangle ABC is a right angle triangle since AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. After we have proven it, okay, so we don't write AB square plus BC square equals to AC square from the onset, but rather in our conclusion. Now that we have established the fact that this is a right angle triangle, to find the area of this triangle, then we just have to use the two sides that make right angle, using one of them as the base and the height. So in this case, 5 and 12. So to find the area of this triangle, it is simply half times base, 12 times height, 5, 30 cm square. Calculate the shortest distance from B to AC. Now, shortest distance, it is important to take note that it is actually the perpendicular distance. In this case, I'm going to draw a perpendicular line from the point B to the line AC. And this line is that shortest distance. Okay, and it is 90 degrees, which means that I could actually make this my H, and using this and my base 13, we could tap on our answer from part B where we found out that the area of this triangle is 30 cm squared. So half times this H times this base 13 is equals to the same area since we are talking about the same triangle. So I will then be able to get my height, which is the shortest distance from B to line AC, 30 divided by half on both sides and divide by 13 on both sides. This will give me a value of 4.61538, followed by final answer in 3 significant figure, 4.62. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.